Welcome to GHL Money Models. My name's Alex, and today I am very excited. I'm very excited to share something with you that just got in the mail today. Actually, as a matter of fact, a few minutes ago, it arrived at my door. Now, before we get into that, one of the things that I want to share with you is that last weekend, a record-breaking event happened, and that was when Alex Hormozi broke the Guinness Book of World Records for a book sale in a single event, selling over 2.9 million, I believe, is the official record. Although he ended up selling over 3.5 million records for the entire weekend with some additional sessions. So as a result, that his book, $100 million Money Models, the third in the series, is now cemented in history. And so, if you're not familiar with Alex Hormozi, acquisition.com, no worries. What I encourage you to do is, if you are a business owner, if you sell stuff, I encourage you to pick up these two books for sure. $100 million Offers, which I believe is the first in the series, $100 million Leads, and the book that tied it all together is the third in the series and broke world record, is $100 million Money Models. So that one's going to be book 3. So I encourage you to pick these up at your bookstore or Amazon.com. Now, why am I so excited? Well, as part of his book launch, he did something special. And I gotta admit, I was impressed. Okay. So first, he released his book, no problem, to anyone who wanted it. At that point, what he did in the Alex Hormozi fashion, following the same model that's laid out in the $100 million Money Models, is he created a special offer for business owners with real problems, business owners who are looking for solutions. And he encouraged them, hey, look, if you donate a certain amount of books to aspiring entrepreneurs, I will incentivize you. I will give you free gifts. And so what does that mean? Well, what just arrived in the mail, $100 million Playbooks. This thing, I'm so excited. I haven't even cracked it open yet. So yes, this right here is an unboxing reveal. So let's go ahead and get right into it, because I'm excited to see what comes in here. It is a private collection. These books are not available in stores. They will not be available digitally. And I believe at least at the release, he said that only 25,000 copies of these were issued and created. So I'm going to be opening up this box, and as a matter of fact, let's see if I can get it into the camera view so you can see it as well. So give me 1 second while I set that up. All right, so here we go. First time opening up $100 million Playbooks. This thing's exciting. All right, so let's go ahead and do an unboxing reveal. I'll fold it up. I just cut the tape. That's all I've done. I haven't even opened it up. And there we go. That's our first ink. All right, so let's open this thing up. It's nice and fresh. Year 1 collection of $100 million Playbooks, a private collection of acquisition. It says proven money making tactics. So this is exciting. All right. Now, as I open this up, I see something else, and I'm excited. Yes, I am, because along with it is my copy of Alex's new book, $100 million Money Models, that broke the world record. So I'm excited here. So with this book, and it looks like there's a couple of things that I want to make sure I take a look at. There is a thank you note for joining the mission of getting this book, $100 million Money Models, to other entrepreneurs. I'm just going to read this. It says, as my way of saying thank you, this binder contains a series of tactics I've used to generate hundreds of millions of dollars, and now it's yours. Inside this book are 4 simple systems broken down into 12 actionable playbooks, each designed to remove the bottlenecks that keep businesses stuck, broke, or both. You also have access to the half-day virtual workshop to help select which playbook is right for you right now, and access to the AI training, which we'll get to later, to help you personalize your actions and taking steps. So here's what you just unlocked: the lead system, which is 4 playbooks, the sales system, which is 3 playbooks, the delivery system, 2 playbooks, the profit system, 3 playbooks, as well as the other bonuses like the workshop and the AI. Now, the lead system, here's the description for that. It says, get more people to raise their hand, show interest, and walk through your digital or real life doors. This includes the goated ads, branding, hooks, and marketing machine playbooks. For the sales system, 3 playbooks. It's turn conversations into conversions, scale acquisition without scaling ad costs, and create easy yes offers. This includes lead nurturing, closing, and proof playbooks. The delivery system, which is 2 playbooks. Consistently deliver the value you promised without it falling apart behind the scenes. This includes the lifetime value, closing, and churn playbooks. The profit system. Keep what you make and turn revenue into profit. Spoiler, most people screw this part up. This includes the fast cash, pricing, and price raise playbooks. And then if you do nothing but read and apply the ideas in these 12 playbooks, you'll grow fast. And if you get stuck, flip to the section on that system, solve the problem, move forward. Scale your business, save the world. Alex Hormozi. P.S. You rock. All right, so thank you, Alex Hormozi. This is something I've been excited for to get into. It is a private collection. It's still nice and sealed. They'll be in this binder. Again, these are physical books that are not available in stores. They're not available for access. So it is a private collection. So it's not like I'm going to go through and just start showing screenshots of these books. However, the concepts that are in these books will be shared, and so just out of fairness. So how do you get access to the knowledge, the learnings of these playbooks so you can improve your business? Well, what I encourage you is to join GHL Money Models. What I encourage you is to join our GHL Money Labs. This is where we're going to take the concepts in these playbooks and try to solve real world problems. We're going to apply it to High Levels digital marketing engine, that platform. And then from there, the idea is not just to help our own businesses as entrepreneurs, but in addition to that, be able to help our customers. And our customers have real world problems. They have problems sometimes making money. And our goal here at GHL Money Labs is to help not just you make money, but also your clients to make money. Because if they're making money, you're making money, right? So that's the concept. So I'm excited about this. I will be digging into this deeply, as well as opening up and cracking open this book. So I'm excited for that as we go through this series. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment down below, and I'll try to answer as many as I possibly can as we kick off here. So again, check out the link in the description if you want to know more about GHL Money Labs, and look forward to seeing you over there. Talk to you later.